Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a mini Lego plane. So these are the pieces we will need for this build. So first we can take this transparent piece and this 2x2 piece and join it together like this, and then take this 2x8 and join it like this over here. Now for the wings, we can put this wedge over here and the same one on the other side, and then we can get this 1x8 piece, attach it over here, and then we can take these two pieces, which we can add on to the bottom of the wings like this. From the bottom, your plane should look like this, and then we can take two more of these wedges, put one on here and put one on the other side, and now we can put a 2x4 piece over here, and then get a wedge, put it over here and here at the back of the plane, and then we can put this 2x2, put it here, and get a 2x3 like this one and snap it on like that. Then we can get this black 2x4 piece, attach it on the back of the wing, get this wedge, and then put it over here between the gap over here, and then we can get this 2x3, attach it over here, and now your plane should be looking like this. Get these two gray pieces. We're going to use these as engines. So put these over here. Put it over here and here like this, and then finally we can get this red piece and this 2x4 piece. Snap it on here, and then your plane is finished.